welcome to Ozark Mountain Goats.
Come here, little girl, boy. Little girl, boy.
Maybe I ought to just hold him for a minute.
This is Mr. Twix.
Yeah.
Meh.
He's 3 months old.
We're going to have his buddy here in a little bit.
Yep.
Check it all out, Mr. Twixo.
Here, let me in there. Hello, baby. You're a pretty boy. Yes, you are. What you think? Will you let me touch you? He has been banded. I don't know if you can tell very well.
I can tell.
But it's only been a week or so. So it'll be a while before his sack falls off. I don't know if he's trained to an electric fence or not. But I guess we'll find out. He's a pretty boy. He should like it here in the shade. You know it? Nice and cool. I want to take a second and show you this little storage area right here that Jim built with all scraps. I think he might have bought two 2x4s, but otherwise it was just all scraps that we have. And we've got some hay in there and some grain and stuff like that, some minerals. So he wanted something a little closer to where the bucks were located, and that way he didn't have to carry stuff. Hey everybody, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. I want to take this opportunity and introduce you to our herd sire. This gorgeous little buck right here is called Blue. Blue Boy, actually. We call him Blue. And he is the sweetest little guy. It's such a pretty boy. He would just stand here all day and let me pet him if I would. He is just a darling. He's got blue eyes, and I think he's gonna throw some really pretty babies. We will be breeding Blue to Charo and Maya in November. It's now October. We want to quarantine him for 30 days and give the girls a little more time to fill out before we bring them over here and put them in the pen with Blue. Next to Blue, I don't know if you can see him, that is Twix. He is our little wether companion that we got for Blue. He does not like, he's a lot like Roxy. He doesn't want to be touched or petted. He's not super friendly, but that's okay. Blue makes up for it because Blue is just the sweetest guy. Anyway, Twix is a beautiful little wether, and he gives great companionship to our boy Blue here. So we are really excited about our breeding schedule that we're going to be doing in November with Charo and Maya, and anxious to see what this little fellow and those two girls are going to throw. And we are looking for another buck. We hope to be getting a Flat Rock Silver, but it will be, I'm sure, a little buckling, and it's going to take time, you know, depending on when we get it, when he would be ready for breeding, probably next year sometime. So we'll probably be using our boy Blue here to also breed Lily and Roxy. Lily is our smallest doeling, so she'll be bred most likely next spring. But Roxy is really growing quickly, and we may breed her in January. So we'll see how she develops and how it goes. But we're really excited to breed all of our girls to blue and see what we get out of them. Wanted to point this out to you. We picked up these 2 wire spools free in Branson at our power company, and then Jim just put a board between them so that they could jump up here and then onto either spool. And so it's funny, they're about 25 or 30 feet from the next pasture over, and they can see, they like to get up here and watch their girls because this is actually a higher elevation, so they can see into the pasture and keep an eye on the girls and talk to them. Blue talks to them quite a bit. It calls for them. So Blue was actually born in February, I think February 7th, so he's about 8 months old now. And the breeder we got him from actually used him in September to breed to a few of her girls before she sold him to us. So it'll be interesting to see what they also get out of the pairings that they did. So I just wanted to let you know what we got going on over here at Ozark Mountain Goats. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, share these videos, and as always, we will catch you later.